right? So we get a nice bounce off of our 15, 1 point above 16. Oh my God, Cappy, I missed it by 1 point, man. Look at that beautiful bounce off of our low that we believe is going to continue going all the way to 27, right? So the main play is long, this one right here. This bounce, that's the main play. We believe it's going to continue going all the way to 27. We wanted 15, right? It only went to 16. Well, it is what it is. Okay? All righty then. So 19, right?
Yes.
19, right here. This is the breakout long. 19 to 27. That's 8 points that we're looking to make on the main play. And remember, 27 and then 33. Okay? 27, ladies and gentlemen, is not going to be a target. So I'm going to change it from a target to a destination. Okay? Now that it's not going to work, the counter trend, we know that all of this is resistance. Alrighty? We are in a sideways wave. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have a bullish bias. Okay? We're not going to short 27. We have a bullish bias now. So it's not going to happen in a straight line. But now we have a bullish bias. What does that mean? Well, we all know that the main play is the breakout of this 19 right here, right? But but we've been thinking, okay, yeah, big deal, right? Not anymore. Now it is a little bit of a bigger deal. All right. So in other words, this move up will eventually go to 27. It's going to take it. So when I told you we're not going to make it a target, we're going to make it a destination, 2 minutes ago, I have confirmation now that, yes, we're not going to counter trend it. All righty? We're going to let it ride all the way to 33. 33, therefore, is target 1, and 27 is a destination. And that's important that we know that because we want to know how the price is going to behave at every single major key level. Right? 26. Not that it's not going to work. Is that almost 27 mistake? Do you think that we're going to make that? So that's 27, right? 27 to the tick. Breakout 19, right? If you were, you know that 15 was a bullish support, right? Bullish meaning that we're supposed to go long 15. We didn't get it. Price only went to 16. All right. No sweat. Let's let the momentum at the open tell us if we're right or no. Boom! Look at this. Look at the retracement. Beautiful momentum. We knew price was going to go all the way to 27. So even if so having gone long 19 to 27, that's still 8 points. That's not bad. And we had to wait a little bit to see if it was going to continue going up. The odds now say that it will, and that's why 27 is now not. It was a target. It's not a target anymore. It's a destination. Why? Because we think it's going to take and it's going to continue going to 33. However, look at to the tick recoil. Look at it. Is that 27 to the tick, mistake?
To the tick.
I'm telling you, I kid you not. I still get flabbergasted. Yeah, sorry. 33, right? So that's 27. I told you, not that it's not gonna work. Look at the 27 all the way to 21 half, let's say 22. That's 5 points. That's not too shabby. 5 points, right?
Right.
But that's not the important thing. Is that we know the future. Is that we know that taking that counter trend short 27 is a counter trend because it will be taken and it's gonna continue going to 33. So we can take it, and as soon as we can take the 27 short, right? And as right, nice, not looking back, right? It goes and then it breaks all the way to 21 half. Oh my God, 5 points. And as soon as we begin watching the retracement, and we know it's gonna test 27 again, take it and continue to 33, then by all of us knowing that, then we know how to manage the counter trend 27. Number one, and number two, let it ride. The long breakout 19, let it ride to 33, right? The only way that we can manage these two positions at the same time is if we know the future or if we know the odds as to what's going to happen in the future. That's what I meant to say. Okay, so that's 30 right there. Is that to the tick, Mr.?
To the tick.
All right, so I told you, by way of 30, right? 33 by way of 30. 19 to 30, we are up 11 points already. Pretty good. Not to mention the 5 points that we make on this counter trend 27, those of us who had the guts to take it nevertheless. All right, so 11 points here to 30 by way of 30. What does that mean by way of 30? That the price is, that 30 is going to stop it right there, shenanigans, and then it's going to continue on this chop. Don't be surprised if it takes 27 and it tries to go all the way to 21. Why? Because the smart money needs to take the stops of all the late bulls, those who just went long right here. We're long from 19, so we can afford to play it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so 30 to the tick, and look at this beautiful, again, recoil to 20, right? So on this 30, right, remember by way of 30, on this 30 recoil, right, we just made 20 points. So what do we need to do now? Well, we need to figure out if this recoil right here is just stop fishing, or is it going to continue going down now, right? And test the low, 15, and go all the way to 15, right? Oh, okay. So in other words, 33, which was our last destination for this leg, it's in the back burner. Now it's in the back burner. 30, 33, we didn't make it by 3 points, right? But we know that 30 was a recoil, right? Yeah, CAPI, but that's tough, man. You know, I couldn't get 30 because the market keeps going to the tick, to all your levels. It just goes to the tick, so I didn't get filled. And look at the way it just recoiled so fast, I didn't have chance to short it. Well, that's a nice problem to have, you ask me. So let me say it again. So we change hats right here at 21, right? And back to sideways, right? So what does that do to our target 133 that we've had this morning on the 19, on the breakout 19 long, right? That has not been invalidated, right? Hasn't been invalidated. But I told you, put it in the back burner. It's not gonna happen because we're gonna have this move down, and look at it. Look at this recoil from our 30 all the way to 20. That's 10 points. Oh, okay, and now we have to change hats again. This is the third time that we have to change hats to sideways, not to bullish. So what does that do to our 33? It puts it back in business. So 33, ladies and gentlemen, is still target 1 of the long 19, and because it's target 1, it's a counter trend short. All right, especially because we are in a sideways action market, you know, rectangle. All right, it's very important. We are short term in a snake action. You know that 33 is a total short, right? Okay, all right. It's just that we think that later on it's gonna be taken and the price is gonna continue to 36, right? But this 33 right here is a total counter trend short. CAPI, man, the same thing that happened to us at the open. We wanted to go long 15 and the price only went to 16. Now we wanted to go short 33 and the price only goes to 32, man. What the hell is going on today? Right? And remember the most important thing, right? Price is gonna take 20 before it's gonna take 33, right? Well, now that's in you know, that's in the works right now. That's the most important thing that we need to do, that we need to know, right? the overall environment of the market, so that we know when to press the chips or not. We need to know we are in a major, highly volatile contraction. Do you think that the kids on YouTube and all those fake gurus on YouTube and Twitter that talk about handles and inefficiencies, and they talk about displacement? Oh, the market is in a displacement and aligned with the order flow. So we gotta be careful with this manipulation here, because it's making some distribution. And remember, don't pay attention to how mitigation is being blocked right now. All right. So let's see the framework and start taking partials. All right. Don't get emotionally attached. All those kids that give you all that mumbo jumbo, they don't even know what any of that means. Do you think they haven't a clue as to what the market is doing right now? They're being destroyed right now. If they dare, which they don't tell you, the price is gonna break this level right here, and it's going here, and there, and when it gets there, that's a major resistance, and we're gonna counter trend it short. They're never gonna tell you. They leave it up to you. They say, hey, listen, if you think that the price is gonna go up, it's gonna break right here, right now, then it's gonna go to 27, 30, tal, and then when it happens, then they start managing the trade as if they told you that go long right here, 27, because it's gonna break. See, that's the trick of this. You know what I mean? So, why am I telling you all of this? Because today is the day that all those kids on YouTube get destroyed. You know? They cannot fake it on a day like today. Long story short. All right? Bull, bear, snake, bull, bear, snake, bull, bear. This is the longer term, right? So we are right now we're changing hats from snake to bear. So in other words, we are predicting that that if there is going to be a move sometime today, bigger than 12 point, which is being the range today, it's going to the downside. Can I change my mind in the next 30 seconds and go from bear to bull, Misty?
You sure can.
All right. So you stay there. So as of right now, the play that we have in our mind, the longer term, is that the price is going to take the low. Right? So we're going to take this low, the 20. We're going to go to 15. It's going to stay there for a little while. It's going to break it. And then we are on our way to 5,000. Okay? So that's what we have right now. Don't think for 1 second that it's going to be on a straight line. Look at the action. Look at the action today, right? But at least we now have the odds as to what's going to happen in the future, which is what we are all about. You know, I can change my mind back to bull. I've changed my mind 4 or 5 times this morning. I can change it again, but I'm telling you that the market is beginning to reveal itself. All right, okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to bring down 15 2 points to 13. Okay, so right now the last forecast is that we are in a down plane. We still believe that it is the low, the one that the price is going to take. Remember, I told you it's going to take 20 before it takes 33, and then we have to change hat here, and there. Boom, we're back to bearish. It's going to take now 20 again, right? And it's not going to be easy to go all the way to the low, but there is more strength right now for the down play. So in other words, the 19 long, we believe, is going to be invalidated when it's taken, because now the price is not only going to 15, it's going to 13. Isn't this exactly what I just said 30 seconds ago, my friends? Right? Remember, I moved it down to 13. This is 1375. I kid you no. Didn't I tell you this 30 seconds ago? Look at that baby. It's that beautiful? That's beautiful, you ask me. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 33, right? Pretty good, right? On a day like today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it took a little while to for the price to come and reach our target 244. So we made 19 points on this bounce right here, all the way to target 133. We finally made it. Look at this, at 1 p.m. all morning long waiting for that target. And target 244. It's pretty good for, again, a day like today. All right. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, the predetermined pivot that we talked about this morning, right? So we're gonna make that target 350. 50. Okay, it's gonna be a tough hole considering today it's only 230, so let it ride.